Hi Alexander, here's a video of your Supra. I've got it at the shop now and giving it a quick wash, nothing too much, and I'm just making a video to show you the condition and so you can see that we have actually got the car. So for people who don't know, this is a 1996 Toyota Supra RZ. It's a 6-speed manual, twin turbo. It's got the older type engine, but that means you can tune it more. Anyway, it's a nice car, very clean, done 50,000 kilometers and drives very nice. Got these pretty old school style 3-spoke Volk racing wheels. They're still in quite good condition, but they probably do help how the car drives. It's nice and stiff, very responsive on the steering, and it's pretty quick as well. You can see the headlights on it, very clear, very good condition, really nice. That sort of makes the car look a lot nicer. Got this aftermarket front bumper on, it's in good condition. One or two scratches here and there, mentioned in the photos when we first bought it. We'll just have a look under the engine bay. In the boot first of all. You can see it's got the 2 JZA80 engine. Very clean, no oil leaks, nice and clean inside the inner panels. Looks very nice. New battery, that's good. No big problems at all here. It sounds nice and it drives nice too. It's all been kept very clean. And it is low mileage, so you kind of expect that, but it's very good. See the chassis plate there, even that's not rusty, which is unusual. Come around the back here. It's got some amps, that's up to you if you want to keep those or not. Sunshades in good condition, not damaged, all still exactly how it should be. If we have a look under the boot, still got the tools in the toolkit. Jack here. A little bit difficult to get in there sometimes, but spare tyre, don't think that's been used really. Still looks pretty good. You can see rust free and repair free in the back, all very clean and tidy. That's really good for one of these. Start the engine in a sec, but if we just look inside here, door cards, good condition. Dashboard on it, it's nice. Supras are famous for dashboard warping, but this one's pretty good. Books here, service history. I'll take some photos of each piece of service history, but there's 4 keys basically with the car, and that's the key for the locking wheel nuts. It's got like Allen key type wheel nuts on it. In the back here, carpets are nice and clean. The back seats are good. No damage or perishing from the sun, they look good. You see down here the carpet is still nice and clean, looks like fairly new. I'll put that back in a minute, it's a bit difficult. I took it under there one-handed, so I'll put it back in properly. You can see the paintwork on it, it's really good, no fading or problems with that. Looks quite fresh and clean. Driver's seat there, it's very good condition. Carpet down the side, non-smoker's car. Some scratches around the door handles, the window switches there. You can see the carpet mat still in good condition. Pedal rubbers as well, they're okay. Jump in here and give it a start. Gear stick's still good. Handbrake lever as well. There's the odometer. 56,855 kilometers. Some small scratches around the vent there, around those knobs. Sort of normal. Got a turbo timer there as well. It's got a drive recorder in this mirror as well. You see the steering wheel's still good, the grain's still on it, it's not worn off. And the clutch is good as well. Engine sounds very good. Makes quite good power too. It's really quite fun to drive, and it makes it's very smooth, does exactly what it should do, no big problems. Ashtray there, clean. Cigarette lighter, one person maybe has used it. There's some bolts I had to put the number plates on with, but in there's nice and clean. So we'll get this car ready, Alexander, get it shipped out to you as soon as we can, and I'm pretty sure you're going to like it. It's a long time to find one, but I think you've actually got yourself something pretty good here. Low mileage and quite original. A few aftermarket pieces, but not too much. So thank you very much, Alexander, for your patience. And anyone else looking for something like this car will be shipped over to mainland Europe, Denmark in the end. And if someone else would like to do that, buy something like this and get it shipped to Denmark, we can do that. Contact us, have a look on our website, jpdjapan.com, and you'll find more information about doing that on there. I should, before I finish the video, just have a quick look underneath. Get a camera under here. You see, so this car's 25 years old. That's all original stone guard and chip under there. There's not much rust at all, if any. Different muffler on it, that sounds pretty good. You can see up here on the heat shields, all nice and clean, and the floor up there, no rust, very good. In the back panel there, that's still clean, looks very nice. So thanks for watching, and have a look on our site, jpdjapan.com. And Alexander, thank you very much again. Speak soon.